The Shop-Vac 8-gallon wet and dry vacuum is equipped with a robust 4.5 peak horsepower motor, making it perfect for tackling cleaning projects in garages, workshops, and vehicles. This vacuum excels as a 3-in-1 device, offering powerful dry and wet suction capabilities, along with a blowing function that can easily convert to a 70 cubic feet per minute air blower. With its portable design, the Shop-Vac features a caster system and convenient carry handles, ensuring easy mobility and transportation. It provides an extensive cleaning range of over 19 feet, thanks to its long hose and power cord, which significantly reduces the need to move the vacuum frequently. The unit comes with a variety of accessories, including a secure fit hose, extension wands, a wet and dry nozzle, a gulper nozzle, a crevice tool, and multiple filters, enhancing its versatility. This vacuum is an ideal choice for any household cleanup, as its size and functionality are well suited for multi-surface cleaning tasks.